Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in today's video, we want to evaluate this integration, this integral calculus. Alright, solution. We have integral 30 x raised to the power 3 plus x raised to the power 2 dx. Alright, so this elongated s represents integral. Alright, and in one of the rules of integration, we say if we have the integral of x n raised to the power n, it gives x raised to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. Okay, all right, so that's what we're going to do to each of these variables that we have. All right, so we have x raised to the power 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1, then plus the other one, x raised to the power 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. All right, then we have the range, we have 3 and we have 0. All right, so we have this to be x raised to the power 4 over 4 plus this will give us x raised to the power 3 over 3. Then we have 3 and 0. Okay, now what this means is that when x equals 3, let's see what this expression will give us. And the other one, when x equals 0, let's see what this expression will give us as well. All right, so now we're going to write that we have 4. Let's write x raised to the power 4 over 4 plus x raised to the power 3 over 3. That is for when x equals 3. And then we're going to write for these two, x raised to the power 4 over 4 plus x raised to the power 3 over 3. All right, so you substitute for x. Anywhere we see x in this expression, we're going to write 3. So we have 3 raised to the power 4 over 4 plus 3 raised to the power 3 over 3 for this. And for this, we have, anywhere you see x, you write 0 because here x equals 0. So 0 raised to the power 4 over 4 plus 0 raised to the power 3 over 3. Okay, now what is 3 raised to the power 4? It means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, 27 times 3 is 81, 81 over 4. 3 raised to the power 3 is 27 over 3. And then here we have 0, 0 over 4. And then here we have 0 over 3. Okay, so now what do we do here? You know, this will actually give us 0. All right, so we are supposed to subtract. This is what we are supposed to do. We are supposed to subtract this from this. All right, so now let's find the LCM of this. LCM of this is 12. Okay, so how many 4 can we see in 12? 3. 3 times 81 will give us 243. Plus, how many 3 can we see in 12 is 4. 4 times 27 will give us 108. Minus, what is this going to give us? It's going to give us 0 at the end. All right, so because 0 over 4 will give us 0, plus 0 over 3 will give us 0, then 0 plus 0 will give us 0. By the time we add this, 243 plus 108 is going to give us 351 over 12. And then we can use 3, right? 3 here is going to give us 4. 3 in this is going to give us 117. And then to mix number, we say, how many 4 can we see here? You can see 29, then 1 over 4. Okay, that is the final answer. All right, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show us how we can find the slope of a graph. All right, using this. Okay, solution. We have function of x equals to 1 over 2 x raised to the power 2 minus 3x plus 4. All right, for us to find the slope of this graph at x equals to 4, we need the derivative of the function of this x, and then we can now evaluate it at x equals to 4. All right, so now what do? We find the derivative of this function, and that is d dx 1 over 2 x squared. Okay, so let's differentiate this and see what we have. Okay, I have made videos on how to differentiate, and you can go back to check that, or as well I can show us. Okay, so if you have x raised to power n, it becomes nx raised to power n minus 1. Okay, so if you are differentiating this now, it becomes 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 x 2 minus 1. Okay, that is what this becomes. And by the time you do that, we have these two cancel these two. So we have x raised to power 2 minus 1 will give us 1. Okay, minus, if you differentiate this, it's going to give us 3. And when we differentiate a constant, it gives us 0. Okay, so the derivative of this function gives us x minus 3. All right, now let's evaluate. Let's evaluate this at x equals to 4. All right, so we have, this is what we have, equals to x minus 3, and then when x is now 4, we have 4 minus 3, and that gives us 1. Okay, so it means the slope at x equals to 4 is 1. Okay, now let's look at another question. It says we should find the slope of the graph when x is equals to, okay, solution. So we have x raised to power 3 minus 4x. All right, so as I've said, to find the slope of the graph at x equals to, what do we need? We need to find the derivative of this function first, and then we can now evaluate it at x equals to 2. All right, so now we have, let's differentiate this. This is what we have of x raised to power 3 minus 4x. All right, to differentiate, don't forget the formula. We have, if you have x raised to power n, then it becomes nx raised to power n minus 1. All right, to differentiate x raised to power 3, we have x raised to power 3 becomes 3x 3 minus 1. All right, and what does that give? It gives 3x raised to power 2. Okay, so this is 3x raised to power 2 minus, if you differentiate this, it's going to give us 4. All right, so now this is what we have got. Now we can evaluate derivative of that function at x equals to 2. So what that means is we have this equals to 3x squared minus 4. All right, so when x equals to 2 now, what do we have? We have 3, this will be 2 raised to power 2 minus 4, and that will be 3 times 2 raised to power 2 will give us 4 minus 4, and that is 12 minus 4. All right, so 12 minus 4 will give us 8. That means that the slope of that graph at x equals to 2 is 8. And this is our final answer. All right, so I want us to do this and write our answer in the comment section. Okay, I want us to find the slope of this graph when x equals to 3. Okay, we have fx 5x raised to power 3 plus 2r squared minus 5. Okay, so when x equals to 3. So I want us to find the slope of this graph at x equals to 3. All right, Don't forget to like, to comment your answer in the comment section, and also subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.